Hello everybody, Papa Blue Shirt here. Wanted to give you a 800-mile update on my Ecotric fat tire bike. I just passed 800 miles. I'm at 818, and give you an idea of what I've had to do or anything. I finally figured out how to add things on the front here. The problem was this bar is not even. You know, it starts out small and gets fat, and then it gets small again. And so anything I tried to get, you know, as long as I was on the edge here, I could hook it up, but in here I couldn't hook up anything. And I got this bar here, and if I want to add another one, I can just add another one onto here and put it down here. And so now I can add as many things as I want. One thing I did get is my lights here. It's got bright, flashing, and flashing like that. And the same with back here. It's got straight on, flashing, and then flashing like that. And those are, I think, less than 10 bucks. And they're rechargeable. I've probably got 100 miles on them already. And I still haven't charged them from the first time. Did put a different seat on there. Took a little bit to get used to, but now I'm used to it. I probably got 500 miles on the seat. And then this rack, I'll put a link for all these in the description, but that rack has a bag that goes on here and hooks it in and out, and it's really neat. So I put my extra battery in that. So when I want to go for really long rides, the longest ride I've went so far is 65 miles. And it was nice to have that extra battery, otherwise I would never have made it. Then I got these little mud flaps. Those are only like $4 a piece. And surprisingly, it does a really good job of keeping the water off me and keeping the mud. This one down here, I wanted to keep the mud off my battery, because my battery kept getting all muddy. And it keeps it off for the most part. Other than that, the only thing I've done so far is I put some oil on the chain a couple, 2 or 3 times, I guess, and I've adjusted the brakes. I did have a problem with the front brake kind of rubbing, and it would make a noise. And I didn't know if it was the bearing or if it was the brake. It ended up being the brake, so I just adjusted the brake, and I got that noise to go away. And only other thing I did, I got this little mirror for my helmet. Works really good. Got these goggles. Got 4 pairs of these, all different colors. And they weren't very much either. I'll leave a link for those in the description. Also got a hood here. A hood that really makes it nice when it's cold like it is. But other than that, you know, I really like the bike. You know, I've looked at other bikes, and I was thinking about upgrading. The bike that I've been looking at is almost $5,000, and you know, this one here was under $1,000. So I would say it's a very good entry-level bike. I look for excuses to go ride. And I rode on some trails. If you look through my videos, you can see a lot of the trails I rode on. I did buy this little mirror here, but I'm not too keen about that. I really don't like it that much. By the time you see it in the mirror, they're already too close. So I have noticed a big difference with these lights here of people seeing me right away. So that's really good. And so yeah. So that's my 800-mile update. If you want to keep getting updates on how I like it, go ahead and click the like and subscribe, and I'll be giving updates as I do more to the bike, and as I get more and more miles on it. Like I said, you know, probably half of my riding has been on trails. I do ride on the road during the week. What I try to do is go out to trails for 2 days out of the week. And it's really funny, you know. I went in on the first trail when I first got the bike, and you know, I was kind of scared, and I was really apprehensive going through the woods, and I'm doing the whole 9 miles in like 36 minutes, you know. And that's not just a flat trail either. It's going up and down through the woods and around. And so as you ride more, you get more confident. So far it's been nice, and like I said, it opened a whole new world for me. Have a lot of problems with my back, and I'm not able to do a lot of exercise. And this is opening up again, and I'm losing weight. I've lost about 30 pounds, and maybe I'll do an update on that sometime. But yeah, so alrighty, this is Papa Blue Shirt. Don't forget to like and subscribe.